Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is an unboxing of a NaonexT Crystall-Ball I've purchased on eBay. I've just taken it out of the brown wrapping paper, and the wrapping paper had this USB lead in it to keep it away from the main unit. So let's open it up and have a look inside. So it's a sturdy box, obviously designed to hold the unit. So it's got a shaped top panel, and inside is the unit. But unfortunately, one of the sensors has actually been broken off in travel. Somebody must have kicked the box roughly here in order to knock that inside. Basically, it consists of 5 sensors, and each of the sensors has a line of controls associated with it. And if I just turn it over, we can see that there's some MIDI in and out, USB and power. There's no power transformer with it, so I'll have to look up online to see what voltage it is, but it looks like it's 12 volts. But I'll need to check that before I switch it on. Problem is, obviously I can't switch it on. If I switch it on, what's going to happen is it's actually going to blow up. So what I need to do is I need to open up the unit and have a look inside and see how these sensors are connected, to see whether or not I can easily get the sensor back on, and if I can't easily get the sensor back on, how I can do it in a fixed it fashion. The screws look to be like some sort of hex screws, so I'll need to find a hex screwdriver to undo them. Looks like it's got a place here to put it on a music stand, so you can use it as a standalone unit. Really excited to get it and to win it, but sadly that rattling inside and the hole in the top means it's got problems. In part 2 I'll be showing how I open the unit, so we can have a look inside if anybody else has got one of these, and hopefully how I fix it, but we'll see how it goes. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.